Oh Lord! Right boys, if you are new to the channel, this is my 1998 Yamaha Rt 100. I bought it from a friend. Mechanically it worked well. I used it a couple of times for hard enduro cross as well as a beat test.
Oh, this cattle!
Cosmetically it was rude. The plan for the bike was pretty much stripping it down bare and building it back up factory. Hey. Ooh, don't scratch the paint. Oh boy, it needs a bit of spit. Yeah. Oh, this is 19 times the charm. Just behave there, handlebars. Alright. If at any point I decide to redo this or take on another really old bike, no! The pain and the hassles with these old ass bikes. Can I just show you something? This fucking air filter. This is an RT original air filter. 500 rand. So many brandies it comes with this. Oh, that is so sick. It comes with this thing as well. I guess it is. I don't know if I should probably put some lube on this thing. Freshness.
Day 2.
Fresh cut Friday even. Looking a bit unwellishly feral, so needed to get a haircut. Alright boys, 90% finished. Alright, so the only thing we have to do left is pretty much put plastics on and see if it starts pretty much, and then do the running process, but wouldn't worry about it. Nah. It's taking too long. I'll use my spells. I'll use Wingardium Leviosa. Hit it, Ron.
Wingardium Leviosa.
Woo! So on my Instagram, I did post saying, or ask people exactly how many kicks it's going to take until we start this bloody thing. And a couple of people said 1 kick because it's a Yamaha. Oh Lord! Oh Lord! It would help if I put the you know, the pipe that goes on top of the carburetor. You know that. Ow! Alright. Memento of Trutho. It's got compression. It's a good thing. So I'm guessing about 5 or 6. Wow! You're not supposed to start first kick? Yes, it handles better than majority of your 2-strokes.
I love this thing so much. Alright boys, so we're gonna take a bike on a bit of a maiden voyage, just up the road and back down again. Just giving it some time just to warm up properly before we give it the business and give a proper test to it. I think now it's time just to see how much business it actually has. Dude, this thing is fast! Dude, this thing is so fast! Dude, I'm amazed at how fast this thing is. How well does it wheelie? Well, I just wish I was better at riding. Alright boys, now that we have this thing's sea legs all sorted, it's time to, this weekend, probably take it out again. It's 100% gonna fall 400%. Sits lower, this thing basically leans more than I do on my adventure bike. I like it.
Right boys, so that's pretty much it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and just like to say a huge thank you to a couple of businesses. Good. A lot of them did it for free, as well as tried their best to get the parts on time and source them. Getting parts for this RT was unwellishly difficult, so I'm glad everything is up and running and sorted, and it's got a few upgrades still that I need to do to it, but we'll save that for another video. So I haven't done the top speed test yet on the RT. I'm going to save that for next video, and stay tuned because I got something quite cool planned, which involves, it pretty much involves a little Honda Chappie as well, and probably going to be a bit illegal. I wouldn't worry about it too much. Alright, so with that said and done, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and until next time.
Quand il me prend dans ses bras, qu'il me parle tout bas, je vois la vie en